Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, I am Nali, licensed nail tech and educator. Today, I am going to be showing you my way on how to secure rhinestones. I've done a lot of trial and error, and this is the most effective way that I found that has worked for me. So if you want to learn more, keep on watching. Who I know who could love me better. I have my base gel on and I used the color FG36 by FGel, which is a magnetic gel. I'm also going to be using a glitter gel to make sure that my rhinestones pop. And to that, I'm going to be using loose glitter. Much younger, you say you got ghosts, I got ghosts too. Heard you got angels, heard they do the most too. Girl, I've been calling, oh, but it never goes through. Never goes through. Pick up the phone, boy, yeah. Said that you been leaving and I should've stopped you. Didn't have a reason, but I had to call you. Hoping that you pick up saying everything is all good. You say you got ghosts, I got ghosts too. Heard you got angels, This is my rhinestone setup. I have it ready to go, so I don't have to figure out what I want to put on. I found that setting up your rhinestone beforehand gives you an idea of how the design will look like. Now this is the magic of securing my rhinestone. Using a nail glue to first put on your biggest rhinestone. This helps secures it so that it doesn't pop off. Now with nail glue you have to move fast because it can sometimes dry really fast depending on which glue you use. Once I'm satisfied with my rhinestone, I'm then going to take my nail glue spray to harden the glue. The nail glue spray is going to make sure everything does not move. As you can see here, I'm testing it out and you can see it is not budging. Give a little, get a little, make a little more. Still didn't used to see it, but I'm taking my leaf gel structure gel and securing the rhinestones even more. And also covering the gaps because we don't want gaps pulling when we are running our fingers through like hair. We know what a pain that is when these big charms get caught on things. This will also be when I put down my smaller nail charms. When I'm putting on structure gel, I'm trying to make sure not to bulk the sides of the nail so much because we don't want a wide or fat nail. Without caring yet, I laid down my smaller nail charms. I do end up changing the charms a bit because I didn't like how it looked. So without curing, the gel makes it easier for me to change in and out if I don't like the way it's looking. One thing I can say is that structure gel is a great way to secure smaller nail charms. So if you're looking to just secure your flat back nail charms, this is a great way to do so. once I cure the structure gel, I'm going in with a top coat to secure everything. I'm using my Winnie the Pooh one because it's thick and it is a non-white top coat. Definitely don't want any gel touching my cuticle, so I'm taking this little tool and just kind of spreading it all over. You can take a little striper brush if you don't have this little tool, so that you can get all the top coat covering all your nail charms. I can see a little bit of bulk built in the corner, so I'm going to take it off a bit. Don't worry about breaking the seal of the top coat. This is the one reason why I use a thicker top coat. I just want to bring back the shape a bit, so I'm filing the side walls and the tip of the nail. And this is the final look on how I secure my rhinestones. I hope that you found this video helpful to you. I know that putting on rhinestone can be very hard and difficult, especially to make them stay for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Again, as always, if you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you do try any of these techniques to see if it has improved any of your rhinestones staying on. Until the next video, I'll see you. Bye.